file a VAT return on Xero, follow these steps. Log into Xero. Go to Xero and log into your account. Set up VAT in Xero. Ensure VAT is configured in your Xero account. Go to Accounting, Advanced, Financial Settings and verify that VAT is enabled. Add your VAT registration details under Accounting, Advanced, VAT Settings. Access the VAT return section. From the dashboard, go to Accounting and select VAT return. Xero automatically calculates the VAT based on transactions entered during the period. Review transactions. Review the VAT return summary for accuracy. Check that all sales, purchases, and VAT amounts are correctly categorized. Fix any errors by editing transactions before submitting. Submit VAT return. If your Xero account is connected to HMRC via Making Tax Digital, click File with HMRC. Enter your HMRC credentials to submit the VAT return directly. Record manual submission. For manual submissions, download the VAT report and file it via your tax authority's portal. Make the VAT return as filed in Xero. Save and reconcile. After submission, reconcile the VAT payment with your bank account.